Good morning. How are you all? Okay, today we are gonna start our day with prayer song. Okay, so I want you to sing a prayer song. Tell Mama to record a video and share it with me. Okay, the best prayer song will be added in the next video. Fine, you should be in proper uniform and do the prayer. You remember, right? Do the prayer song and share it with me. Fine. Okay, so record your prayer song. Fine, share with me. If you have done the prayer song very perfectly, I'll add your prayer in the next video. Fine. So shall we start with our academics? Okay, take out your English workbook. Okay, we have done till upward curve, isn't it? So today we are doing with left hook and right hook and circles. Fine. Come on. Take your pencil and trace it. Okay. Left hook. Just you need to join the dots and make it neatly. Left hook. Now the down one is right hook. Okay. Now color this neatly. Then turn the page. Okay. Here we have got two circles. Okay. You have to just join the dots, make a neat circle and color this ball. Next you have got an image of globe. You have to just join the dots, make a circle and color the globe. Fine. Let's see what's there in our English course book. Okay. Take out your English book, English course book. Open page number 17. Last time we have done till here. Yes. Now it's page number 17. We have got sounds of E, F, G, H. Shall we? Okay, fine. Repeat with Swapna ma'am. Okay. E is an egg. Egg. E is an elephant. Elephant. Once again. E is an egg. Egg. E is an elephant. Elephant. Nice. Now next comes F. F is a frog. Frog. F is a fish. Fish. Nice. Next. G is a goat. Goat. G is a grass. Grass. G is a goat. G is in grass. Grass. Yes. So what comes after G? Yeah, it's H. H is in hand. Hand. H is in hat. Hat. Fine. So we have learned the sounds of E, F, G, H. F, G, H. Okay. Now turn the page. Here we have got capital E and small e. E says A. Okay. E says A. I. Ear. Eagle. Egg. Elephant. Engine. Okay. Once again. E says A. I. Ear. Eagle, egg, elephant, engine. Okay. Now see here you have to write capital E and small e. While writing you should say loudly. E says A. Okay. Capital E, small e. Fine. See in the next page we have got color the box with letter E. Can you see many boxes here? Yes. But in those boxes we have got different letters. You have to choose only, you have to select only the E letter words, identify only the E letter box and color it. While coloring you are not supposed to spread it out, color within the box. Fine? Okay. Next comes letter F. What comes after E? It's letter F. F says F. We have just learned F says F. Yes. Fan, flag, flower, for frog, for fish, for fox. Okay, now write capital F, small f. While writing, say loudly, F says F. Okay, now turn the page. See, you have got a matching here. Okay, what you have to do is just match. This one I'll do for you. Okay, come on, take your pencil. Match the picture. Word starts with letter F. Okay, see, we have got many pictures here and letter F here. Okay, so what is the first picture? It's fan. It starts with F. Fan. Yes, so we have to match it. Very good. Next we have got, what is the picture? It's goat. It starts with letter F. G. No, it doesn't start with F, so no matching. Next, fish. F. Yes, it starts with F, isn't it? So match it. Next we have got car. Car matches with F. No, no matching. Next, the last picture is frog. F. It starts with F, so match it. Okay, so this is your English course book. Let's see what's there in your English workbook. Okay, come on, take out your English workbook. Okay, open page number, what is this? 18. Page number 18. Okay, what you have to do, match the words with pictures. See, we have got words here and we have got pictures here. Okay, sit with mama, don't make noise and do this matching. Once I'll revise for you. This is, first you go with the pictures because identifying picture is easy for you, right? So first one is engine. Search where is engine. Engine. E-N-G-I-N-E. So match. Next we have got eraser. Where is eraser? Here it is. Match. Next, elephant. E-L-E-P-H-A-N-T. Elephant. I. Eagle. Egg. Fine. Take mama's help and do this. Next we have got, write the first letter of the picture. See, we have got many pictures here. You have to write the first letter of each picture. Okay, this we will do now. Come on, do with Swapna ma'am. What is this first one? Aeroplane. It starts with letter A. Very good. Write small a. Very nice. Next we have got cat. Cat starts with K. C. Very good. Next, bag. B. Small b. What is the next image? Dog. D. Small d. What is the next picture? Egg. E. Small e. Next we have got axe. Right? Small a. Very good. Next we have got bat. B. Small b. After that, apple. Small a. Next, cup. Small c. Simple, isn't it? Okay, once you finish this, shall we go to the next letter? F? Okay. We have got letter F. Yes? What you have to do is match the picture with this, which starts with letter F. See, we have got many pictures around and letter F in the middle. You just go through each picture and match it. For example, for flag, this is boat. It doesn't match. Then we have got frog. Yes, it matched. Drum, no. Finger, yes. Hat, no. Housefly, no. This is insect and housefly, no. Carrot, no. So, flag, frog, finger. Fine. So, today we are going to start with our English notebook work 2. Okay. Now, Mama will help you with this. You have to write one page of standing line. Okay. See how Swapna ma'am has written the same way. Standing line, you have to write one page. Then turn the page. You have to write sleeping line. Okay. Fine. So, done with English. Shall we go with math? Come on, take out your math course book. Open page number 9. Okay. What is there? We have numbers from 1 to 5. We have already done 1 to 5, right? So, what you have to do is, first you have to read this, revise it, then we'll go with our notebook work. Okay. 1 umbrella. two butterflies. Like this, read, and then we'll go with the math notebook. Fine. Come on, read fast, read neatly, record a video, share it with me. Take out your math notebook. Mama will help you in this. You have to just write the heading numbers 1 to 5. Okay, write numbers 1 to 5 and write like this. 1, leave one box, 2, leave one box, 3, leave one box, 4, leave one box, 5. Like this you have to write 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 times you have to write. And while writing, write neatly and read the numbers and write number 1, number 2. Like that you have to write neatly. Few of them you just write like this. See? 1. It should not fly in the box. It should touch the down line. 1. This is correct. This is wrong. Okay. Even 2. It should not fly in the box. It should touch the line. 2. Like this. Okay. Write neatly. Then I'll give you a smiley. Okay. Once you finish till number 5, we will go simultaneously from number 6. Maths workbook, maths course book and maths notebook. Fine. Come on, write fast. Okay, so done with math. Shall we start with EVS? Okay. Before we start with today's topic, I would like to ask you few questions. Okay. Whenever you feel bored at home, where do you go? Yes? Yeah, you go to park, right? In the evening hours, Mama take you to park. Okay, one is park. And if you want to buy something, if Mama wants to buy grocery, where Mama takes you? Supermarket. Yes? Fallen sick. Where does Mummy and Papa takes you? Yes, they take you to hospital, right? The same way. Today we are gonna learn about our neighborhood. Okay? Come on, get your EVS course book. So take out your EVS course book. Open page number 17. What can you see here? There are many things we see and visit in our neighborhood every day. Yes? See, this is your home. We have school nearby. We have park nearby, isn't it? So, the visiting place we have near to our house are called as our neighborhood. Fine? Okay. Now, see here. Help Srinu reach his school. See, here is the school and Srinu wants to go to school. How he will go? We have to help him through this way. Okay? Take your crayon or take your pencil. Complete this puzzle. Okay? Now turn the page. Hey, we have got a rhyme. Yes, it's a postman rhyme. Shall we? Okay, repeat with Swapna ma'am. Rat-a-tat, rat-a-tat. Rat-a-tat, rat-a-tat, who can it be? Rat-a-tat, rat-a-tat, let's go and see. Here is the postman knocking at the door. Have you any letter? 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes? So, he's a postman uncle. What does postman uncle does? Yeah, he get letters for us. He get post for us. See? Can you see in the picture? He's hand-overing the letter to that girl and boy? Yes. These days we have all social media, WhatsApp and all, so we are not using letter, but in olden days, mummy, papa, grandpa, grandma, they used only letter. Okay? Now, come to the next page, page number 21. See, here we have got community helpers. Fine. In neighborhood, in the visiting places, yeah, there are some people allotted. Like in hospitals, we have doctors. In police station, we have police uncle, right? They are called as community helpers. In school, we have teachers. Yes, even teachers come into community helpers. Okay, let's see who are all the community helpers. Okay, a doctor gives us medicine and helps us to stay healthy. See, he's a doctor. Doctor uncle is checking that boy. Yes, he's a community helper. Here is a policeman, catches the thieves and keep us safe. Yes. Next, here is a driver who takes us wherever we want to go. Yes? Okay. When you want to go to school, who takes you to school? Yes? See, in the school van, can you see driver uncle? Yes, the same way. Next, here is a teacher helps us to learn many new things. Fine? Like me, I am teaching you new things every day, isn't it? Yes? Okay, they are called as community helpers. Now turn the page. Hey, we have got some activity here. Let's see what is this. Circle the things used by doctor. See, there are many pictures here, isn't it? But we have to circle only the things which are used by Dr. Uncle. You know, right, what Dr. Uncle uses? Shall we go through once? Come on. First one we have tissue paper, tissue roll. Yes, at times Dr. Uncle have tissue rolls in his cabin, right? So we'll circle it. Next we have got aeroplane. Does Dr. Uncle use this aeroplane toy? No, so no circling. Hey, we have got stethoscope. Yes, this is more important, right? Every Dr. Uncle has this. So we have to circle it. Next, horn. Dr. Uncle uses horn? No, so no circling. Crown? No. Next, cage? No. Hey, what is this? It's a thermometer. With this only doctor check if you have fever, if you have temperature, right? So this is mandatory. So we have to circle it. Okay, next we have got hanger. No. We have got carpet. No. Hey, we have got some machinery tool which is used by doctor. Yes, Dr. Uncle use this, no, for checking BP and all. Yes, so we will circle this. Next we have got can. No. We have got medicine. Yes, Dr. Uncle gives us medicine. So we have to circle it. Simple, isn't it? Let's see what's done in the next page. Circle the things used by our teacher. You all know what Swapna ma'am used, right? Shall we circle? Okay, come on. Now you have to say, fine? Okay. Swapna ma'am used blackboard? Yes. Okay, circle it. Okay. It's a kite. Swapna ma'am used kite in the class? No. There's a toy. Swapna ma'am used this toy in the class? No. We have got books. Yes, we have books in our class, isn't it? So we have to circle it. Next we have got leaves in the classroom. No. No circling. Pot. No. Chair. Yes. At times when teacher get tired, she used chair. So circle. Next, crayons. Yes, your favorite crayons. Without crayons, the class is empty, right? So circle the crayon. Here we have got pencil and eraser. See, still I am using pencil. Shall we circle it? Okay. Next we have got tree. Tree in the classroom? No, we don't have any tree in the classroom. Next, hanger? No. Pen? Yes, teacher uses this pen. Can you see here teacher is teaching all the kids? Yes. So these are the things used by the teacher. Fine. Now we'll go back to our EVS workbook. Let's see what homework you have got based on neighborhood and community helpers. Okay. So take out your EVS workbook. Open page number 9. Okay. What can you see here? Help the lady police reach her police jeep. See, there's a police jeep and a lady police is standing here. You have to draw a puzzle. You have to make the police lady reach the jeep by crayon, using by crayon or using by pencil. Okay, this is your homework. And next also you have got help Madhu reach his teacher. See, teacher is teaching here and Madhu is here. You have to help Madhu to complete this puzzle. Now mark it, homework. Homework for video 5. Okay. Now turn the page. Hey, wow, so many colorful pictures. Let's see what you have to do here. Match the community helper with the things they are related to. Okay. See, here we have got community helpers. Here we have got things or tools which they use. So what you have to do is you have to do matching. First mark it as a homework. Homework video 5. Fine. Now one I will do for you. See, there is a lady police here and she will be going in the jeep, right? So we will match this. Next we have a firefighter. What does he need? Fire engine? Yes. Come on, do matching. Complete your EVS homework. Fine. Take out your Telugu book. Okay, open page number 7. Last time we have done till U Udata, right? Now, U, Uyala, Uda, Uka, Utabavi, Uru, Uragaya. Fine? Okay, now once again I want you to sit with Mama and read from R to U. Okay, tell Mama to record and share me the video. Fine? Now take out your Hindi book. Open the page. See, we have learned till U, Ullu. U say Ullu, U say Un. Yes? Now it's Ri say Rishi. Okay? U say Ullu, U say Un, Ri say Rishi. Fine? I want you to read from R to Rishi. Tell Mama to record a video and share it with me. Now here comes your art and craft book. Fine? Okay, take out page number 3. With your Mama's help, you need to cut strips of this oval shape and stick some colorful strips here. Fine? Make it colorful. Let's see who will do more neatly, who will do more colorful. Okay? Come on, do your homework. Share your pics, share your videos. I'll be waiting. Bye-bye. See you soon. Take care.